Hey fam, if your legs are feeling tight or stiff, this quick 5-minute dynamic stretch routine is exactly what you need to loosen up. We'll focus on opening up the hips, hamstrings, and lower back, leaving you feeling light and ready to move. No equipment is needed. All you need is some space to move, a mat, or a soft surface. Let's start in a deep squat into T rotation. Drop down into deep squat, keeping your heels on the ground. Place your right hand on the floor, and as you exhale, rotate your left arm up toward the sky, creating a T shape with your body. Hold here for a few breaths, then come back down to the squat. Repeat this rotation on the right side for 45 seconds. This stretch opens up your hips while also improving mobility in your upper body. Now switch to the left side. Stay low in your squat, placing your left hand on the floor, and rotate your right arm up toward the sky. Keep your hips steady as you twist through your torso, feeling the stretch in your upper back and chest. Continue rotating for 45 seconds. This movement is great for activating the hips, stretching the chest, and improving flexibility in the spine. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, dropping your left knee to the ground. Place your left hand on the mat and twist your upper body to the right, reaching your right arm up toward the sky. Hold this twist for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch through your hips and back. This stretch helps improve hip mobility while also opening the chest and spine. Switch sides now. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge, dropping your right knee to the mat. Place your right hand on the ground and twist your upper body to the left, reaching your left arm toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply into the stretch. This move is great for loosening up tight hips and stretching the lower back. Now let's move into one of my favorite movements. But before we do that, smash the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss another video and build your personal playlist with your favorite stretches. Now let's finish strong. Stand tall and hinge at your hips, reaching down toward your toes. If you can't touch your toes, don't worry. Just reach as far as you can comfortably go. Sweep your hands across your feet and keep alternating for 1 minute. The stretch targets your hamstrings and lower back while also engaging your core as you reach and twist. And that's it, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've loosened up your legs, opened your hips, and stretched out your spine. This dynamic stretch routine is perfect for getting your body ready for a workout or for shaking off any stiffness during the day. Save this stretch and use it for whenever you need to get your legs moving. Let's keep staying flexible and strong. Let's go.